Alright, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy 360 Eco, and today we got a uninstalling video. Apologies if I sound sick because I am sick. So needed to do this install on Super Bowl Sunday, so you know what it is. So what I'm removing is the blow-off valve adapter that's located right there. I don't know if you can see, it's like red. It's like down there and shit. Yeah, a little red thing. I'm gonna remove that because I'm tired of hearing that little whoosh. Every time you let off the gas, you hear it. So kind of over that. And also I got a throttle body spacer from SR Performance, I want to say. Yes sir. Just got it yesterday, so I want to put that in. Shout out to the crows. Apologies for me, my sniffles. So first thing you want to do is get your wrenches, your sockets, all that 10mm. Doink. You want to remove the cooling box. Alright. Could just put that to the side. Doesn't go far out much, but you know, it helps. Nice and secure. So you want to get so you got to get those there's three bolts right there at that angle. The first time I did this, I was like, fucking, my legs was like feeling weirdy after. Still not done. That one's out. But finally happy that it's coming off because I was tired of it, to be honest. It's more like a little cheap mod if you want just to pretend that you got turbo on your shit. Get you a bigger turbo. Bye-bye. Bye-bye blow-up adapter. And I got this off eBay, so I mean, maybe I'll put it down the line if I ever want to just, you know, hear turbo noises again, but not right now. Got one in. Oh, whoops. Oh, that's right. Damn, what did I do with the factory ones, huh? Because I'm over here bolting in the ones that are fucking, they came with this shit. Good catch. Alright, update y'all. We found the OEM. They were in my glove compartment. My dumbass was playing these, the ones that came with the blow-off valve adapter. Alright, so one thing that's already going to help us is that there's a couple in there already, so we could just put this one in, get this one going. Get this one out. Nice. Shit, bitch. Alright, let's finish. So right now, as you guys seen that, guy finally hit me back up on OfferUp about the DJI mini batteries. So I'm about to pick up a battery pack of 2 more and the charging hub for $60. And that's a fucking steal because I already have 3 batteries. So 2 more batteries, bro, that's, you know, damn near almost 2 hours of flight time you can get. Perfect. So, try to finish this. Got 1 more. Alright. Got the blow off valve taken off. There it is. The 3 bolts. Now we put the coolant tank back. I'm gonna go pick up those batteries. Alright, so there it is. Blow off valve uninstalled. See it there first. No, I don't have the bolt, y'all, so I can't do the throttle body spacer right now. Gotta wait on that one. Alright, y'all, that was it. POV adapter uninstall. If you want to see how to install it, just watch it in reverse. Alright, appreciate you watching. I'm gonna clean up the engine bay one of these days. Don't worry, I'll make a video of that too. Appreciate you guys watching. World War III about to pop off. Yeah, appreciate you guys watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Till the next one, fam. Stay blessed. Damn, all this fucking noise, serio.